So we know that if we divide any integer, whether positive or negative, if you divide any integer by 1, you'll always get that number. The result will always be that number itself. So it's, if it is a divided by 1 or minus a divided by 1, you'll always get back that same number. Like here you'll get minus a, and in this case you'll get a. So these are two. So if divide a by 1, you're getting a, that is the same integer as a result, and minus a divided by 1, you're getting minus a, the same number as a result. So what if you are dividing a by minus 1? What if you are dividing a by minus 1? And what if you're dividing minus a by minus 1? Now if you remember that for dividing any negative integer, we have always said that for a moment just forget negative minus sign and treat both numbers as whole numbers. So you'll treat this division as a divided by 1. Now a divided by 1 will give you a, and since this division involves one negative sign, a negative number, therefore put a minus sign here. In this case, just forget for a moment these minus signs, you treat them as simple whole numbers. This is a divided by 1, a divided by 1 will give you a. Since this division involves two minus signs, that is two negative integers, therefore there will be no minus sign in this case. So if you can notice that here you got minus a, that is, it's not equal to a as it was in the case of this one when you divide it by 1. But when you divide it by minus 1, you get the opposite of that number, that is just with a minus, a number with a minus sign. Here also you were dividing minus a, but you got a, just opposite of a, that is with opposite sign of a. So the difference between division involving 1 and minus 1 is that if you divide by 1, you'll get back the same number or integer, but if you divide by minus 1, you will not get the same integer.